Okay, so here we are in the gondola at Sun Valley going to the top of the mountain with our ski posse here, and we're giving you the report for the day. Market's doing awesome. As we said before, as January goes, so goes the rest of the year. It's been a phenomenal January. It's going to be a record-breaking January. So we should have a good year going forward. We've had some interesting economic numbers. One, most importantly, with the GDP numbers for the fourth quarter. We saw a negative of 0.1%. It was quite a surprise. But what really drove that was a 15% decrease in government spending. So investors are starting to see that if we cut too much on spending, it has a real effect on the GDP. But when you look at the Davos guys, the economic summit in Switzerland, most of them are, the contention is that the U.S. will have a 2 to 3% growth rate for the year. So we should see some revisions in that fourth quarter GDP. What was in the news today, we had Facebook came out with earnings. They met expectations on the top line. Their mobile revenues were a little bit short. They were looking for 350 million. They did 304 million. But more importantly, their expenses shot up 80%. So the market is punishing them for that today. And then we saw RIM finally came out with their new BlackBerry. They're even changing the name of the company from Research in Motion to BlackBerry. And quite a disappointment. There was nothing new. They're saying it'll come up maybe mid-March. The carriers are not really talking about promoting it. So that stock is getting hammered too. What was really encouraging today though is we had an IPO of a home builder. Tri Pointe Homes came out, very successful IPO. So that's showing that the housing market is looking to return. Investors are starting to put money to it. So anyways, that's it for today, and we'll do one more of these on Monday, and then it's back to sunny Honolulu. Aloha.